This is CUBOT Max 3, and today we will show how you can add the numbers to the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without those separate number line. So either tap on this gear icon, or we can also enter the settings, then go for the system category. Next, enter the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, you want to head straight for the preferences, and at the preferences section, just turn on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, this will essentially mean that we have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.